Hey guys, welcome to my new video. In this video, I'm gonna show how to create this animation with using After Effects. Let's get started. Go to create new shape layer. Let's click this icon for black background. And go to shape layers, hold this icon, create rectangle tool, and create one rectangle like this. Clisation tool and color, let's use red. Click OK. Select shape layer 1, let's click for move to anchor point center. And select shape layer 1, let's enable title action save, move to here. And select shape layer 1, Ctrl D for duplicate, change name social media. And move to left, go to solo, open inside, contents, rectangle 1, and rectangle path 1, let's click size icon and change size like this. So I will put here social media logos for transitions, and let's enable and shape layer 1 change name live background, and select this social media, move to left, and this live stream move to here. Okay, so in this time go to text and write here live. Clisation tool, move to here, change font size. Let's write live stream and move to here, change font size and go to align, select this text and click, let's click here for move to anchor point center and click align. And also this, let's click for align to center, and text, let's move to back. So in this time, select these three layers, social media, and drag and drop into the composition and press S, change size, and Facebook, let's put here and press S, change scale. Then select this Instagram, let's put here, press S and change scale. Okay, and YouTube, let's move to here and press S, change scale. So in this time, let's click toggle switch modes for C matte and select these three layers. Let's drag matte to social media. Let's create null object and move to here. Double click anchor point mover and select these three social media links. Link to null object, select null, press P, let's see. Okay, so select this YouTube, let's move to up, and Instagram, move to up, and select this null, let's see. Okay, and select YouTube, let's move to up for see full screen. And next, YouTube, okay, that's good. And we can create null object animation. Select this null, press P, and let's move to up like this. And select this null, let's press P, create new path in keyframe, move to up, and go to 10 keyframes, move to down. Okay, and select keyframes, make it easy, or click F9, go to graph editor, and make it smooth graph. Select last keyframe, move to right, back to keyframes, and here let's create new path in keyframe and go to here and move to down for see Instagram. Select keyframes and let's select this graph, make smooth animation. Back to keyframes, select last keyframe, move to right. Okay, and go to here, let's create new path in keyframe and go to again here and move to down for see YouTube logo. And go to graph editor, select this graph, make like this. Okay, back to keyframes and go to here, select these null and logos and social media. Let's right mouse and pre-compose, add name logo. Click OK. Okay, and in this time, let's select work area Back to main composition, select this logo, let's Ctrl D and move to right. And let's open logo. And select null, press P, create new position keyframe. Go to here and move to down. Let's see. Okay, let's change duration 5 seconds or 6 seconds. And change durations. And make it graph editor smooth. Okay, and in this time, let's press N and choose trim come to work area. Okay, and let's select this second composition. Move to here, let's see. Nice. Let's see full animation. Okay, that's good. So in this time, select this live stream text and we can create animation. Let's select this text and change font size and move to right. Let's go to shape layers, hold this icon, choose ellipse tool and add here one ellipse. Clickation tool and click here and move to left. Change color white and change size and select this shape layer. Go to first second, press S, open scale, click scale keyframe and change 50, or let's click this icon for move the anchor point center, change 50 or 70. Go to 10 keyframe, change 100. Again 10 keyframes, select first keyframe, copy paste and make it easy. Go to graph editor, select this graph and make smooth animation. For loop animation, let's hold Alt, click time icon, go to play button, property and loop out duration. For down expression, click this empty area. So guys, thank you for watching my video and don't forget to subscribe channel, like video, leave comments and have a good days. Good luck.